Hey, good evening, everybody. I am super excited to bring you the July 2025 sneak peek of OpenBOM for QuickBooks. Starting here with a purchase order in QuickBooks, a lot more features, a lot more data control coming. Let me show you how we get there. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM. Let me take you on a little better sneak peek. I'm still in dev now, but this is what the release is going to look like within the next week or so. Here I'm in an order in OpenBOM. This is generated right from your digital product definition, your digital BOM. A lot of information in here, maybe 2D to 3D PDFs, drawings, part numbers, quantities. All that information comes straight out of OpenBOM. What is new here is the ability to control a lot of the information going into QuickBooks. Asset classes, whether this is inventory or non-inventory, what the effectivity date is, which accounts or expense accounts these are to be tracked in. Is this item tracked as an inventory item in QuickBooks? A lot of controls here. So this is in the order. When we generate purchase orders, this particular one is to Steve's Molding. All these items are being purchased from Steve's Molding. This is ready to go. I'm going to send this over to QuickBooks. And we'll see now, again, a lot of ways to control the data that's going over there. There's a mapping UI here in the settings where you can say, hey, look, this particular property in QuickBooks maps to this property in OpenBOM. Get some indication about what properties are mandatory based on the inventory or on the item type. Also can pick and choose which derivative files you want to send over, 2D drawings, steps, PDFs, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and send this OpenBOM purchase order to QuickBooks. And OpenBOM starts, give you a message. You could close this dialog if you wish. Okay, upon completion, we'll get a dialog, gives us a link to the purchase order in QuickBooks. And here we go. Here is a purchase order. Again, the one that I started with earlier, but it now has quantities and rates. See the total cost. We got all the PDFs that were sent along. If I'm making drawings or just sending PDFs to my suppliers through QuickBooks, those will be attached there. So that is the OpenBOM for QuickBooks, the July 2025 release. You're still looking at this our dev environment, but I think I'll probably have this out in the next week or so. So keep an eye on the what's new, and afterwards, would love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thank you.